This is the story of how I built my ARRMA Gorgon, and it died. Then lived again. Then died again. Then lived again. But to get here, we have to go back to there, so I can explain how it all happened. The first big mistake I made was not putting Loctite on the pinion gear's grub screw. The pinion gear kept coming off, and Medusa, my Gorgon, kept stopping. Lesson learned. Put Loctite on the pinion gear, and that fixed that issue. Then came the burning smell, and the smoke, and it was time to level up. Following the video I found by Ready to Run RC, link below, I ordered my new parts, and I got to building, and everything was going so nice and so smooth until... Okay, here's a quick video of what I'm doing. Hopefully that'll explain everything. This is my newly installed SLR 300. That's my new 85 amp Spectrum Spectrum Firma Smart ESC. This is my newly installed brushless ESC. This is my newly installed, it's a 3150 kV brushless motor. The reason I got that is the motor that comes with this is too short, and the motor pin, I guess it's called, it doesn't fit through the body of the Gorgon. This is my transmitter. This is the stock Spectrum SLT2. This was the original one that I got with the Gorgon. So as you see, the trim is set to mid. The SR is all the way as per the instructions. The throttle is at 100, and the STR is it's at straight. Again, as per the instructions. I did bind this earlier. It is bound, which I will show in a moment. So first things first. So my transmitter is on, and then we are going to. So I'm holding down set. Power button. Okay, there we go. It's in programmable mode. Okay. So my throttle. Okay, this is neutral, so I should press the button, and I should see a green button and hear a beep that it accepts the neutral. Here we go. Nothing. And then I should pull the throttle back, and holding the throttle, press the button again. I should get a green light and 2 beeps. Nothing. And then I'm at full brake now. Full brake. Push. And nothing. So just so you see that this is binded. Got steering. I just got nothing.
Well, we're waiting.
It was the transmitter. I upgraded my transceiver to the FlySky FS G7P and swapped out the Spectrum receiver for the FlySky receiver that came with my transmitter just in cases. And I'm proud to say that Medusa is alive and kicking again. Now, you might be asking, was it all worth it? Well, you be the judge.